Croeso i swyddfeydd Cymdeithas Bêl-droed Cymru yma yng Nghaerdydd ar gyfer tynnu yr enwau allan o'r het ar gyfer rownd gynta cwpan JD Cymru. Welcome to the Football Association of Wales headquarters here in Cardiff for the first round draw of the JD Welsh Cup. We have two special guests from Bridgend Street who beat STM Sports 2-0 on the weekend. Paul Fowler, who was a member of the 2007 side, the Carmarthen side who won the Welsh Cup, and Kingsley Lloyd. Also with us, two presenters from Capital FM, Geraint and Polly James. Polly, you've been heavily involved in beat football in Cardiff Bay over the summer. How did that go?
It was amazing. We did beat ball. It was every Sunday down at the Cardiff Bay beach, and it was just nice to see how many talented young ladies there were, and it was nice to give them a platform where they felt comfortable enough to show off their skills. And we did drills, skills, everything, penalty shootouts, and it was great. And then the girls would come back every week in their full kit, just loving it. So yeah, it was really successful, really great.
Fantastic way of introducing them to football.
Absolutely, yeah. Absolutely, yeah. No, it's really good.
Oh, that's brilliant. Geraint, yourself, you've been involved in domestic football, whether it's with the club on SOC or Radio Cymru, Radio Wales. It's played a big part in your career.
Yeah, it's something I've always followed since being a young boy. Barry Town back in the day kind of started that passion for Welsh football for me, and it's great to see it growing year on year. I mean, last year was competitive, really competitive. The League TNS still the team to beat, I'd say, again this season. But it'd be nice maybe this year to see a little shock in the cup. Maybe the Bridgend Street boys can do something this season. But the main thing is this growing, it's getting more popular, and that competitive edge is definitely there. And hopefully that'll continue this season.
That's brilliant, thanks. Conducting the draw, Pennaeth Cystadlaethau Cymdeithas Bêl-droed Cymru, Head of Competitions at the Football Association of Wales, Andrew Howard. Andrew.
Thank you, Ian. Polly's going to draw the home teams and Geraint's going to draw the away teams. We're going to start with the southern draw. So Polly, when you're ready. And the first name is Aber Aaron. And they will play Caldicott Town. So home draw for Taffswell, Fun on Taff. And they will play Port Talbot Town. So all Welsh League Division 1 clash. That's Trio in Stars. And they will play Risca United. So good Gwent derby. Merthyr Saints, they beat Dinas Powys on the weekend. And they will play Llandrindod Wells from the Spa Mid Wales League. Next out is Surrey Sports, home draw for the South Wales Alliance team. Jimmy Blackie's team will play Llantwit Major, so Vale of Glamorgan derby. That's Thomas Bluebirds, who beat Aberdare on Friday night. And they will play Llanelli Town, so Lee Trundle will visit Caerphilly. Carmarthen United. And they will play Kyra. Croeso Ceiliog beat Ely Rangers on the weekend. And they will play Goitra United. Rhaeadr Town. It's Gareth Hughes' team from Mid-Wales. And they will play Caerau Ely. So a long trick for Nana Bars, Caerau Ely. Cambrine and Clydach. Home draw for Craig Hughes, one of Paul's former teammates. And they will play Trevelyan. Aberbargoed Buds. Will play Barrytown United. It's Avonlido, home draw at the Marstons. And they will play Pontyclean of the South Wales Alliance League. It's Newport YMCA. And they will play Haverfordwest County. So a long journey for the county. Tom Pentra, home draw at Ennis Park for the Bulldogs. And they will play Abergavenny, the FAW trophy holders. RTB Ebbw Vale reached the first round for the first time. And they will play Ynys y Gerwin. Penabont, Rhys Griffiths' side. And they will play AFC Porth. Pontardawe Town, they won on penalties on the weekend. And they will play Cwmbran Celtic. Monmouth Town, Welsh League Division 1. They will play Brecon Corries. Undie Athletic, another Welsh League Division 1 side. We'll play Blaen Rhondda, and the last home team, Sunderland Bridgend Street. There they are, Bridgend Street. It's a home draw for Paul's team at the Willows. And they will play Goitra. We're all set for the 40 Northern clubs. Polly, if you'd like to start again with the home teams. And first out in the Northern draw is Mould Alexandra. And they will play Llanberis. Senasaf City. And they will play Prestatyn Town, the 2013 Welsh Cup winners. Gilsfield, Cogidfa. And they will play Welshpool Town, a local derby. Llanrhaeadr and Mochnant. Prestatyn Sports. Greenfield. They will play Llandudno Albion. Conwy Borough, home game Amorpha. And they will play Iwan Williams' Carnarvon Town, so cracking Hughes Cymru Alliance match. Dyffryn Nant Vale. We'll play Holyhead Hotspur. Lex Glyndŵr. They will play Corwen. Flint Town United of the Hughes Grey Alliance. And they will play Penacai. Harden Rangers. We'll play Carno from Mid Wales, beat Knighton Town on the weekend. Abergele. They'll play Llanrug United. Gresford. And they will play Denbigh Town, so another Hughes Grey Alliance clash. Llanwrlyn. And they will play Ruthin Town. It's a good derby game. Barmouth and Dyffryn. And they will play Buckley Town. Llangefni Town. Winners over Geraint on the weekend. And they will play Brumbo. Glantraeth, so another game on Anglesey. And they will play Mynydd Llandagai. Coedpoeth United, home game for the Welsh national team. And they will play John Hazelden's Holywell Town. Porthmadog, so a home game at a Traeth. And they will play Caersus, so another Hughes Grey Alliance clash. So the penultimate home draw is Llanidloes Town. Good reactions, Geraint.
Big cricket.
And Llanidloes will play Llanfair United, so good Mid Wales derby. And finally, Penryn Coch, so a home draw for Gary Lewis's team. And they will play FC Nomads of Connersky who beat Brookfield Rangers on the weekend. Those ties are to be played over the weekend of Saturday the 1st of October. The JD Welsh Cup qualifying round 2 player of the round competition will be on the FAWales Twitter this week, so look out for that. Our thanks to Geraint and Polly, and to Ian, Kingsley and Paul.